How to fix the Valorant Vanguard error, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here task manager and then open it, and after that scroll down until you find here Vanguard user mode service, and now just right click on it and click open services, and here right click on it again and click stop, and scroll down until you find it here, and here's it, VGC. Now right click on it and then click start, and after that just restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.